Now I'm going to show you some template. This is the structure of literature review. This is expected, but it can be in different style as well. Sometimes, sometimes people write the criticism with each paper, or sometimes we write the criticism of all papers at the end of the literature review. Both are accepted, no problem. So here is an example of literature review. I will share this template with you. This is adopted from Thompson's Rivers University, and this is a very general guideline. I will also see some example of literature review. Again, the same thing. A typical literature review considers the following components like introduction. In the introduction, what you have to write, I already mentioned. You can go over it. Then there will be main body and conclusion references. Also, in the conclusion, they summarize the findings and criticism, everything. Okay, and let's see by examples. Okay, in each part, what we should write. Okay, in an introduction must tell the reader the following: what you are going to cover in the review, the scope of your research, and how the review ties in with your own research. Just for example, if we read this introduction, let's read it slowly, then we will discuss again. Can anyone read from your side so that I will have some break? Please read this one. Anyone? Abdul Batin, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just read this lines. Okay.
Okay.
Many.
Topic, yeah. Topics and sentence.
Not so like I just the whole paragraph.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So many theories have been proposed to explain what motivates human behavior. Although the literature covers a wide variety of such theories, this review will focus on 5 major themes which emerge repeatedly throughout the literature review. These themes are introduction of the self-concept into traditional theories of motivation, the influence of rewards on motivation, the increasing importance of internal forces of motivation, autonomy and self-control as sources of motivation, and narcissism as an essential component of motivation. Although the literature presents these themes in a variety of contexts, this paper will primarily focus on their application to self-motivation.
The thing is that can you identify they also colored the things. Okay,
Yes.
that's the issue. Introduction, you should start with the major themes. Okay, the brief overview of the topic. So in this sentence, they defined what they're going to do, and also they said that there are 5 major themes to this topic, and they are only going to cover the specific one, self-motivation. Is it clear? Yeah, if you are not able to make your mute. Okay. So are you clear? Please give feedback. Is it clear? I am not from this. Maybe this is social science literature review, but still is clear to me. Are you clear? Please give your feedback.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
The thing is that at first you have to provide a topic sentence, like identifies the themes or a scope of this review. Then you can also discuss the related themes. Also, then you should tell that I am going to focus on this. Okay. If I want to give you one example, just for example, just I am saying, just mention, I have mentioned a few minutes earlier. There is a just for example, in this research we are going to focus on phase detection. Then we should say that there are many techniques to do detect phase, like computer vision, image processing, machine learning, deep learning, many other techniques. In this paper, we are going to focus on deep learning. Am I right? So this way. This will be introduction. Okay, let's go another example for paragraph.
One second, sir. The thing you described, I'm going to from general to specific, isn't it?
Yes.
Like the deductive approach.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes. And then also, what you should write in the paragraph. That means, after introduction, you should write paragraphs regarding different research articles. If it is a thematic approach, and you should write the similar type of paper, summarize the similar type of paper in the same place. If it is a chronological order, then you have to discuss the paper published in the same time or in the specific time frame. Okay. So again, read it. Who is capable to read? Please read it. It's giving me a break. Okay, Hassan Muhammad or Shoaib, please read it. Yeah, this one. The most early
Okay.
theory.
Most early theories of motivation were concerned with need satisfaction. Robbins, Millett, Cassiope,
Okay,
and
just skip the name.
Watersmarsh.
Yeah, yeah,
Watersmarsh, 1998, argued that motivation relies on what a person needs and wants. Similarly, the early theories of Maslow and McGregor, Robbins et al., 1998, focused on personal needs satisfaction as the basis for motivational behavior. However, recent studies outlined by Leonard, Bobo, and Shaw, 1999, suggest that personality and disposition play an equally important role in motivation. Current thinking does not discount these theories, but simply builds on them to include a self-concept.
yeah. So, though we are not from the similar background, am I right? We are not from the similar background that they're talking about the motivation, but it still is clear. Okay. The paragraph should integrate the multiple sources. Am I right? See, here they summarizes maybe this one different study, this one different, and this one also different. Okay, they integrate. Maybe they are following the thematic approach. So if this is a thematic approach, then again you have to discuss the similar types of paper in the same class. So what you have to do? Let's study the theory, then match with it. A main sentence or idea that you are putting forward, a topic sentence again here, because it will direct the readers or tell the readers what we are going to do here. Okay, and again, evidence from the research to support or argue your idea, showing where the writers agree or disagree. Student or student analysis. That means critical analysis of the research literature where appropriate, and summing up and linking to the next idea. I know this is the this is the standard, but every time it is not possible. Okay, but here they try to cover everything, like topic sentence. This is the topic sentence. The most early theories of motivation are concerned with the needs need satisfaction. Then they provide some supporting evidence that which literature cover these issues. Then again, they said there are some contrasting theories that this is again need satisfaction, and this is based on they say focused on personal needs, needs satisfaction as the basis of motivation. But this is contrasting. This is studies outline that personality and disposition play an equally important on the role of motivation. And again, they provide evidence from the research. And again, in the literature review, in each paragraph, you should have a concluding sentence. Okay, current thinking does not discount these theories, but simply builds on them to include a self concept. Okay, so this is an example. If you tell me that, please give an example on this topic. I cannot provide it instantly, okay? Because I need to study the topic, I need to study the related papers. Then I can come up with the idea how to write the literature review. So I think the paragraph is clear now. And in the paragraph, they also in the same study they said that here the integration of the student critical analysis, they provide some critical analysis. If I say that see this line, it can be argued that the desire to improve the one's strategy is a highly motivational force and is central of the idea of narcissistic motivation. Narcissistic means you are so much determined that you will do it. Okay, the narcissistic motivational strategies put forward by another this study are concerned with motivation for life in general. But see, there is a word whenever you see the bird, okay, however, or this kind of word you will say, but may also have applications in the context of work. Okay, the narcissistic motivation, they may have application in the context of work. So again, I'm saying that I am not expert, but you should. There are two approaches. You can add the criticism with the paragraph, or you can do this criticism at the end of the whole literature review. There are two ways. Okay, so you can adopt any one of them. And when you are writing, literature review, don't follow the same style. Just for example, let me clear point another thing. Let me point another thing. See, when there are two authors, just for example, Robin Millett and sorry, maybe there are three authors. Or if the thing is that if there is only one author, then you should write the full name of, mention the full name of the author. If there are two authors, then you have to again mention the name of the two authors. If the authors are more than two, then you can write the name of the first author. Just for example, Robin et al. That means this is a maybe Greek word. It means that there are more authors. Okay, this is one text. So when you are writing literature review, don't write like this. In just for example, many students who are doing research as a beginner, they write like this. In one, it is said that, okay, or reference, okay, to said that like this. Don't do like that. Just say, okay, Sabir et al. Suggested that you can use this word, okay, suggest that, argue that. Don't use the same thing again. Okay, they mentioned that, mention not like that. You can say different word, okay, suggest that or argue that, contents, outline, focus on, define. Sometimes we don't find words, so I have provided a verbs for referencing like define, conclude, state, maintains, found, promote, establish, assert, show, claims, reports, okay, are mentioned, address, different words, okay, used for referring the related literature. This is a good practice. Otherwise, if you submit it for review and the reviewer see that you use similar words, okay, or you use this style in one, but you did not mention or the name of the author, it seems you are very novice, okay, and they will consider your paper. They will maybe they will have the negative impression of the very first view. So this is very important.